process, because just to give you an idea of like the crazy volume, I work for Caliber Home Loans. We're one of the 3 biggest lenders in the nation, and there's a really good chance you haven't heard of us because a lot of Caliber Home Loans business isn't directly under our name. A lot of brokers, if you've heard of like mortgage brokers, do business with us, and several other banks. But in totality, we do about we're one of the largest 3, and that moves around a bit over time. But last year, we did about $3 trillion in mortgages. And to fund a mortgage, fundamentally, you have to have the $100,000 cash now. You make the mortgage, and then you sell the mortgage to somebody else, you get your $100,000 back, you do it again, right? So nobody has $3 trillion cash in hand. So the system has to keep turning and moving. Our CEO estimates that this month in March, because the interest rates were low for really a 3-week period, they're really good, that Caliber is going to do $2 to $0.2 trillion in just March.
Wow.
And we believe we're going to do about $3 trillion in April. And that is a giant expansion of the supply of mortgage-backed securities that you can buy.